Welcome back for another exciting episode in our hands-on cybersecurity practical labs. If you've been following along, you know that we are all about diving into the practical sides of the cybersecurity. Today, we are talking the journey one step further with the another cybersecurity labs. As I have mentioned before, that there are lots of cybersecurity channels out there offering theory and lectures, but here we are all about to take action. We believe into tackling a real world challenges and providing practical solutions. It's the best way to learn and grow in the world of cybersecurity. And speaking of challenges, then there are countless platforms out there offering the cybersecurity labs, each with its own unique set of puzzles and problems. So, what our goals? To guide you from the beginner to pro. So, let's get started with our second labs right there in the Hack This site. So, if you already watching our previous video, we created the account. This is the account login here. Okay, let's just refresh once again. If it's log out, timeout, whatever, so it's login. Okay, and there is a challenges and there is a basic level. We are starting, as I told you, from beginner, then we'll go to the pro. So the thing is here what, that if you not create the account in this, if you are watching this video first time or you missed the previous video, then I will suggest that create the account in this charge. Okay, it's a ticket for this fantastic hands-on exercise. So let's dive into today's labs. In this video, we'll be talking on another challenge on this HackThisSite. This challenge falls into the basic, and inside that level 2. Level 1 we already completed, and this is the new account specially created for you guys. So step by step we can sell, otherwise we get some notice like you already solved the lab. Okay, so already one we finished, second we are going to start. So let's go inside that. What's the menu in today's? So it's a slightly more difficult challenge involving the incomplete password script. The only requirement for this challenge is something we all need to possess, like common sense. If you're attending my live classes, then mostly I'm talking about like brain.exe. If you want to become hacker or cybersecurity expert, you require your logics, and logic will run with brain.exe. Okay, that's a part. Now let's talk about the challenge itself. It's a bit more interact than the previous one. It's still beginner friendly. Here's the deal. Let's understand what the things. Network security, Sam set up the password protection script, and he made a load the real password from the unencrypted text file and compare it the password the user enter. However, he neglected to upload the password file. So here we need to understand the logic. As I told you, technically we not require more knowledge to solve this lab, but logic. Logic is the key for solve this lab. Okay. So our mission is what? To crack this puzzle and figure out how to proceed. So let's roll up our sleeves and start solving these challenges together. I will guide you through the step by steps, explaining my thought process along the way. So understand properly. Okay. Till now, I just tell you the challenge, but try to understand. The network security SAM set up the password protection script. So normally what? Whenever we want to log in, we require password, and directly, indirectly that password we need to type right. Now how the system, mobile, computer, laptop, or let's say Gmail account, whatever, how they know that user typing password is right or wrong? Obviously by matching the original password, and they match the original password in the backend server with the database, or maybe it's locally. Let's say if I talk about a mobile, you have the mobile pin or fingerprint, whatever. So before you configure password, before you log in, what mobile will ask? Mobile will tell first set up the password. First type the pin or first enter your fingerprint. That means first our mobile store that password somewhere in the mobile database like a memory card or nowadays internal storage. Okay. And then next time when I want to log in, I want to unlock my mobile, I need to type the pin. What it will do, whatever pin I type, that pin in background checked by the previously stored original password when we create. So that same thing here, what it is telling, a network security SAM set up the password protection script. Okay, so he create a script, and then what? He made a load the real password from the unencrypted text file. So one point here, what you need to note, the file of password is unencrypted. Okay, the password they load from this file and compare to its a password which is entered by user. That means what? There is a one script which is able to check the password and compare between two things. One thing is what? Which is original password stored from the file, and which is password user type, as I just explained the mobile login process. Okay. But the thing is what here? You can see. What's the different things? The different thing here, however, he neglected to upload the password file. Now what? Password is there in the password file. Okay. And script also there, which is user type the password, script will check from the password file. So same configure the password, but forget, neglected to upload the file. That means the script which he created for password protection, that script don't able to check the original password because password file is not uploaded. As I told you here, we don't going to do many technical things. Why I'm going to only explain as a theory? It's a practical, but why theory? Because it's a logic, and logic is all about understanding via logical concept. So what we can do? Just randomly, okay? Solution I know, but let's say randomly if I type any password. Why I'm typing any password? Because the same is forget to upload original password file, and that's why the script not able to check the password. And let's try. So error. Okay, what it is saying? Sorry, but you have entered the incorrect password. No worry, come back. So one logic is that what? Type any password, because there are no any checking mechanism. If I go deeper with then checking mechanism is there. There is a password protection script, but there is not the original password where they compare. So second logic is what? Don't type anything. Keep it empty. Okay, and submit. I not type any single thing, and you can see congrats. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the basic lab. So this is the second lab all about the logic. Okay, there you have it. We have successfully cracked the challenges and completed our second practical lab. I encourage you to give these challenges a shot on your own. Try to practice, and of course, feel free to share your experience, questions, or thought in the comment below. It's very easy after solving. I know. Okay. Once we solve, sir, what is the technical? That's I told you. The hacker is also need to load the logic in their brain.exe. Sometime what? Let's say we try lots of high level technique and we typing different password. We try to think complex password, but here what? No password. And that's why it is also one of the cyber security lab where a user mistake. This is what? He neglected to upload. It is a user mistake, and that thing happened multiple time in the real world. I face lots of challenges when someone calling me and I'm going to do solve the project on the company, and then I find that is not the issue with the password, but issue that password is not able to match. Okay, so before we wrap up things, let's take a moment and reflect at what we have learned from this experience. Remember, every challenge is opportunity to grow your cybersecurity skills. I hope you enjoy this as much as I did. Okay, stay tuned because there are lots of more exciting content coming on the way. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channels. Enable notifications so you don't miss our next lab adventure. Thanks for joining today. I will see you in the next video.